dream I know deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
Welcome back to Reality Latest Gist, my good people. Welcome back to your #1 channel for latest news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for our green country, so we be Nigeria. And once again, we don't come back with breaking news, we don't come back with updates, we don't come back with the latest fresh reports we would like share give the general public. And the cocoa now we see the Edo State Police Command don't come outside the yarn, say they don't rescue the pregnant wife of the late Mr. Friday Pius, wey suspected kidnapper give RIP on Monday, maybe the 14th day of April for inside this year, so maybe 2025. And this Jagoda incident so dey happen for inside Uluoke community for inside Etsako West local government area of Edo State. Like this now, the police dey give men information say the sister-in-law of the deceased, the sister-in-law wey men also kidnap alongside with Mr. Pius' wife, has been released. Now I believe say this report so na good news for the ears of many countrymen dem. In less than a week wey Jagoda incident happen for inside Edo State, the police now don do the needful, the police now don do their duty. The police don make sure say those countrymen wey Jagoda men kidnap don get their freedom. And this report, so this informate of the rescue dey for inside statement wey the public relations officer of the Edo State Police Command, Moses Yamo, dey yarn give country people. This statement was made available to Tori people on Sunday, wey be the 20th day of April for inside this year, so wey be 2025, for inside Benin City. And for inside the statement, so Oga Moses Yamo let men know say the duo, that is the two countrymen now, they were rescued by operatives of the Divisional Police Headquarters Yamo in the locality. And not be like say the police dem do am alone, no. Dem do am in collaboration with vigilantes and hunters dem for inside the state. Men now dey find out say the rescue happened on Friday, maybe the 18th day of April for inside this year, so maybe 2025 at about 9:15 p.m. And last he can drop the names of the country persons wey dem rescue. He say their names na Esther Friday, 32 years of age, and John Iregbenyen, 23 years of age. And last Oga Moses Yamo can drop the names of the rescued persons. He say their names na Esther Friday, 32 years of age, and Joy Iregbenyen, 23 years of age. And these names so that the names of the wife and the sister-in-law of the deceased respectively. Then about the Jagoda men now wey do the kidnapping, the Edo State Police Command talk person will be Oga Moses Yamo con dey let men dey know say as a result of the pressure being mounted on the Jagoda men, so as a result of say the policemen now plus the hunters and the vigilantes now, they don't mount, they don't make sure say those victims they rescue them. Pressure now can enter the kidnappers their body, they no can dey settle again, they can make them now can go shoot one of the women for their leg. But however, good people, Oga Moses Yamo still let men know say the woman so wey the Jagoda man go put bullets for inside her leg, they receive treatment for undisclosed hospital. They receive treatment for hospital, but he failed to mention the name of the hospital where the woman they received the treatment. Now, according to how men take yarn for inside the statement, they say the Edo State Police Command don rescue another 2 kidnapped victims on the 18th day of April for this year, so maybe 2025. At about 9:30 p.m, demonstrating their commitment to tackle criminality for inside Edo State. And this is further to a case which was reported on the 14th day of April still for this year, maybe 2025, at the Divisional Police Headquarters Yamo, where a woman and her sister were kidnapped after shooting and fatality, wounding the woman's husband at Oliako community. The injured man was rushed to the hospital where he was confirmed saying don't bear RIP by a medical doctor on duty. Then in a swift response, the DPO anti-kidnapping team stationed at Edo North and Operation Rescue in the company of vigilantes and hunters come mobilize, and they can go after the kidnappers to go rescue the victims and to arrest the kidnappers them, to arrest the Jagoda men who carry out the Jagoda incident. The resilience and the determination of the operative can last lead to the rescue of the 2 women, namely Esther Friday, 32 years of age, and Joy Iregbenyen, 23 years of age, whom the kidnappers abandoned and run away because of the mounting pressure by security teams. But unfortunately, the kidnappers shot one of the women for their leg out of frustration, but she's currently responding to treatment. This my good people are the full details of the statement where Oga Moses Yamo will be the talk person, will be the spokesperson of the Edo State Police Command. And my good people, more no forget, say reports we don't already enter table. Reports we don't already drop on Thursday, will be the 17th day of April for the same year, will be 2025. And according to that report, women for the community be they do protest. They do I no go agree, sake of the RIP of the deceased by the suspected headsman and the abduction of his pregnant wife and sister-in-law. That is as the Jagoda incident happened now, women for the area then para no be small. Country people wey dey stay for the area dey no like am say herdsmen kidnappers go dey do jaguda activities and e come back see if police no dey do anything about the matter. And the women come still dey yarn for their protest say the main reason sef why they dey do the protest no be only because say jaguda men now don kpai one of their person, na sake of say policemen dey hardly appear for their community. E come dey be as if the community no dey exist for inside Edo State. E come dey be as if men no even care about them. So now they dey use this opportunity to dey call on the government at all levels, that is the Edo State government and the federal government plus the security agencies, so make dem come to their aid for the community. So the women now dey use this incident wey lead to the RIP of Mr. Friday Pius as reference. They don see the matter now as chance. They don use am as opportunity to take call on government at all levels, that is the Edo State government and the federal government, including security agencies, make dem come to their aid, make dem come begin dey do the needful for inside their community. And dem still call on security agencies say make dem come begin dey do the needful, make dem come begin dey secure their person dem for inside their community. And this community so good people na Ulueke community for inside Etsako West local government area of Edo State. And as the women dey do their protest, they still dey call for help. They still dey yarn say make men do the needful to rescue the kidnapped pregnant woman and her sister. The women still let men know for inside their protest say the deceased, the man wey bear RIP so in the hands of jaguda person, na a father of 3, and men give am RIP for inside his own house between 1 a.m. and 2 a.m. on the fateful day. And now to God be the glory, the Edo State Police Command don come outside now come drop informate say they don rescue the pregnant woman and her sister. And we still dey believe say this report so na good news for the ears of many countrymen dem, especially men wey dey for inside Edo State. And this report so na another testament, this informate so na another evidence to show say the police dey understand their assignment, they know wetin their duty be, and they dey try as much as possible to fulfill their duty. And that assignment, so that duty, na to protect the lives and properties of countrymen dem. But however, my good people, we as a country person, we still get role to play in the security business. If you be say you see something, if you be say you observe something, if you be say you hear something, try tell something to the nearest police officer. Try talk something. Try drop the informate. Try drop the report for the nearest police station. So this, my good people, now the informate I wan share give the general public. Now I believe very well say onto this informate so many country people go get lots of things and things to talk about. So no let anybody or anything stop or intimidate you. Anyhow the matter be you for body, or if you be say you get contributions about this very particular topic, so feel free make you drop your comments inside our comment section. Once again, now we be reality latest gist, and I would like give on our latest news on politics and many other cocoa with the sup for inside this our green country, so maybe Nigeria. And now if you be say you do this update and you go like to receive more, then sharply make you subscribe to reality latest gist, and don't forget to put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring more news they come your side, now you go first receive the update and you go even get them sharp.